Kaugnay pa rin ang bomb threat sa Ateneo de Manila University Campus. Makakausap po natin si Sonia Araneta, Corporate Communications Director ng Ateneo de Manila University. Ma'am Sonia, magandang tanghali. Si PR Kang Helpo ito.
Good afternoon, Pia.
Ma'am Sonia, unahin lang po namin, kamustahin yung sitwasyon ngayon sa campus. Nandiyan pa po ba yung karamihan ng mga estudyante dahil pinauwi na raw ho sila?
Pia, I'm sorry. Can you say that again, please?
We just wanted to ask kung yung mga estudyante ay nasa loob pa rin ng campus kasi kanina daw karamihan sa kanila or lahat actually pinauwi na po.
Yes. Actually, I just read it, no? We are currently verifying a bomb threat that we received this morning. PNP units are now sweeping the campus. Classes and offices have been suspended effective 12 noon and onwards. We advise all units in the Loyola Heights campus to execute evacuation procedures similar to fire drills. Everyone is asked to go home. So announcements on further updates will be posted on the Ateneo website.
Alright. Pero Ma'am Sonia, paano ho ba natanggap or sino po ang nakatanggap ng bomb threat?
Okay. It was received, it was sent to 3 of our employees from the same office at around 9 a.m. this morning.
Isang tawag lang po yon?
Text. It was a text message.
Pwede po ba malaman kung aling opisina po? Sa college po ba ito or sa lower level?
In the Loyola, in the college.
And ano ho yung nakalagay dun sa text?
Basically that there's going to be there are bombs that have been apparently situated in the campus and they're supposed to go off.
So, ang unang hakbang po dito, agad po yung itinawag sa PNP.
That's right.
So, sa ngayon, kamusta ho yung ginagawa nilang sweeping operation dyan po sa campus?
Right now, I'm in the Loyola, I'm in the college, so they're actually sweeping, I think they're starting in the grade school. So, all of the children and the grade school are now being evacuated. Actually, all so including personnel.
Pero kamusta naman po kasi sabi niyo po pinapauwi na yung mga estudyante, so syempre dadating yung kanilang mga magulang, yung kanilang mga school service. Paano ho yung pagpasok ng mga tao sa loob ng campus ngayon?
Okay, basically meron naman kaming protocol na sinusunod na very much like yung pag nag-cancel ng pag-suspend ng classes kapag may yung inclement weather or may bagyo. So 12 o'clock. So ang ginawa kasi namin is we have a drill which we did several weeks ago where the children, there are already specified evacuation sites, they're open fields, and doon in-announce yung process ng pag-evacuation at pag-evacuate at ang reason kung bakit nag-evacuate.
So
may designated areas all over the campus, and then there's actually the whole drill that that we were able to do. So there are marshals that are assigned, and there's a siren that will go off. So we have a procedure by which we are able to evacuate should something like this happen. Well, not that you expect something like this to happen.
Pero Ma'am Sonia, pwede nyo bang ilarawan sa amin? Kamusta naman po yung sitwasyon ng trapiko sa paligid ng campus? Kasi baka syempre yung mga magulang na sabay-sabay pupunta ngayon, hindi rin nila agad mapasok yung loob ng campus.
Well, right now, as I said, nandito ako sa college, no? So, of course, we're expecting heavy traffic. But medyo orderly naman, very orderly ang pag-evacuate ng mga estudyante at mga empleyado. Of course, yung traffic build-up is to be expected, no? But I'd like to think that we're okay so far.
Alright. Actually, ito Ma'am Sonia, nakita na namin, meron kaming live na kuha ng Katipunan Avenue at yung lane, kung nasaan naroon yung Ateneo Campus, mukhang mabigat na nga po yung daloy ng trapiko. So, Ma'am Sonia, siguro kung pwede na lang po kayo magbigay ng mensahe doon po sa mga magulang, mga kamag-anak, ng mga estudyante na baka ngayon, nag-aalala po.
Well, we'd like to assure everybody, especially the parents, that the university has taken all possible measures to secure the children and our students. Of course, the first right now that we're doing is we've evacuated all the buildings. The PNP bomb squad is right now sweeping the ground and including the buildings. So we've suspended already classes. And of course, we're really praying that everything that the Lord will protect all of us. So far, it's very orderly. So all the unit heads are on top of everything. So we just want to assure the parents that the children are secure. And there's a very orderly evacuation process that's ongoing right now.
Alright, Ma'am Sonia, maraming salamat po. Makikibalita po ulit kami.
Nandito lang kami. There's going to be a whole several officers that will still be on campus just to supervise everything. Make sure everything is okay.
Alright, Ma'am Sonia, maraming salamat po. Si Sonia
Thank you very
Araneta.
much, Pia.
Thank you very much. Corporate Communication Director ng Ateneo de Manila University.